Oh fuck, I did there. It was like asking me to connect to Wi-Fi and shit. Oh yeah.
Almost the end of the line.
Blackberries dried out quick, look. All that wasted fucking munch. All rotted in the fucking jungly atmosphere.
Birds eat them though, fermented, they get drunk.
Wow. But it is proper fucking jungly. Well, I'm going to shortly take you through what is one of the worst gullies in Heol.
Yeah, because everyone is forced to use it.
Yeah, now. But it is really bad. And I'm going to silver liner miner this. It won't be forever. Okay. Sweet. What the fuck is that?
Non-music. Like synthwave or something, isn't it?
Yeah, synthwave. So this is a local leisure centre for keep fit people. I've never been in it.
No, me.
I'm not going to
The
either.
locals that have never been.
So they, instead of just exercising, they stand in the window and stay on the same spot and
jog
exercise
to the news.
with masks on, and they don't. I guess don't get any fresh air.
There's all widescreens at the end.
Really strange.
Yeah.
Bizarre behaviour. Here's the local police station, closed to people.
This is actually the end of the line of Caerau Lane.
Yes, we're going on to Corbridge Road, the A48. The long one, a Roman road, all the way from Chepstow to Pembrokeshire. Heol. We don't have police here. We have Heol. Heol de Cymru.
It was heavily attacked in the riots. As you can see, a lot of barriers.
I was locked up in the cells in there once years ago, but they let me home so I didn't get in trouble with my mother.
Oh.
I know. It's like, better get home. What time are you out till? I said 11 o'clock at the latest. I said, better go. Punch you about a bit. Look at that over there, guys. Poverty in motion, and all the windows are smashed.
It's supposed to be poetry, but
I know what it is.
fallen in such a way.
Yeah, trying. Oh, look at that dog. Oh my god. It's big.
It's really noisy by Cardiff.
Oh, it's fucking shit on a shit on a stick. I can breathe it all. Oh, that one smells of washing powder.
Laundry.
Yeah.
Laundry.
Okay, here we go. Now I know what you're going to be thinking, oh you poor people. No, it's not as bad as you might think.
Checking the sonic eye on the bird.
Yeah, no. You'll see it now. Look at this Welsh urban graffiti. Clach Menrithin Caerau. Sweet. There's our local electricity supply. There's some gorilla-esque graffiti. There's the Welsh dragon,
Sonic eye.
the bluebirds, and the three feathers. Yeah. This is very concentration campy by you. They got electric fences.
Look down at the smeg on my floors and stuff.
This is
And
pretty.
the wall.
I am. It is pretty apocalyptic.
Dystopian as hell.
Look at the height in these walls. But it pissed on last night, so fair dues. It's washed all that vomit down and stuff.
Yeah, but still.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, okay. Dog shit bags.
Nappies.
Nappies, Matt. Oh my god.
Big
Hold your breath. Fuck you know. This exemplifies society today, this gully. Shit bags. Yeah, fuck it. I can't be bothered. Can't be bothered cleaning up after myself. Fuck them. Fuck everyone. Step in my shit. Okay.
My dogs.
Step in my dogs.
Right, that's the end of the line.
That's the end of the line. I'm going to put a road through there and 84 houses. It's going to be groovy.
Same by you?
Huh?
Same by you or what?
No, I'm walking down here, bro. I don't know what you're fucking doing. You do you. I live down this way, so that'll be it.
Doing Caerau Lane.
Yeah, man. Awesome, you remember this, man. Works on road crew. We are the road
You
crew.
gotta go in the shop, haven't you?
I gotta go in the shop.
We'll have to take that at the moment.
No shit, Sherlock. I might go.
No,
Things.
you'll be done for showing all the thieves what to rob in the entire shop.
Nothing's worth over £5, lot.
Probably why they only make the chocolate bars.
It's like pound stretch of foods.
Robin Hood sort of thing now, with their food.
Smell those Tuareg fires. Oh no, it's dog shit.
And curry.
You need some leaves for the bunny?
No, I got plenty outside mine.
Okay.
No point. And the mowers are crap, they don't go round. And the other council.
Council.
Council can't talk.
Bottle caps, that's the currency of the future. Better start collecting them now. You'll be a rich man by the time, you know.
Fall out rice.
Yeah. Right, presuming you're going to survive what you said. It's lovely out here, isn't it? So all the pretty little. Yeah, look, we have knobs on our street signs. Yo, the obligatory squirty knob. Yes, it's very British. So they had coffee mornings here with the locals. They asked me if I wanted to take part.
The communist event.
Well, yeah, it's pay £1 and you can sit next to me on the bus. I was
It's a
like,
community thing.
yeah. It's like,
It's
It's going to be very limited conversation with that, like me not saying anything. Oh, it looks very mushroomy, this grass by here, doesn't it?
Just you sit there and drink tea and act British. Is it?
Well, which means complain about everything then, does it?
Probably.
And illness, that's
Yeah.
another one. Oh, she's in a terrible state, have you heard? No, I haven't.
Hip replacement.
Yeah, it's gone a bit wrong. Popped out. Oh dear.
Always is, isn't it?
Oh. Stop saying oh exactly the same time as me, though.
Raven.
Oh.
Clever birdie.
So we're going down to shops because I need some sugar, some salt. So I'm just buying crystally things then. I've actually got a list. It's pretty.
What? Big one, that one, isn't it? That big one.
Yeah, man. They don't have people pick their nose a lot.
It is pretty. It's like
It is smeggy as fuck out,
there's
yeah.
stuff in the air. It's making my schnoz.
It is me too, me too. Okay, here we are, Heron Foods. This is the pinnacle of British society. This is what keeps us all alive. A bit like Bovril in the 1970s.
Continuing to kick what I was kicking.
No. You kick of vapes. See 2020. I think they were trying to tell us something. Whoa. Not bad, not bad. See if I can splatter it on the wall though.
No, it's battery.
It's alright.
Blue air.
That's what I think. Literally blow a hole in the floor like alien blood.
Yeah, that's like that stuff.
Oh, no shit.